video was sent in from Pele, who was driving on a country road in Sweden when he suddenly witnessed this. Pele says he thinks the driver made the decision to turn a little bit too late.
Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
This video is from Martin, who says he thinks that the driver of the Audi is a tourist in a rental car, or at least we hope so. This video is from Wham Bam Teslacam's Model 3. We saw this license plate on a Tesla Model X. It's great, period. Acceleration was also great, almost too great for this Chevrolet. MICHA was driving on E18 outside of Stockholm when he saw this Mercedes in the mirror. And then he's stuck in traffic up ahead. This video was submitted by Benny, who was on his way to a service appointment for his Tesla Model 3 when this happened. Benny says he's happy he didn't have to show up to the service center in a wrecked car. This clip comes from a submitter who drives a Tesla Model 3 and happened on Hornsgatan in Stockholm. The submitter says he just heard a lot of screaming and didn't really see what happened until he got home and scrolled through the Teslacam videos. Tesla Sui says this was a sad evening when his Model X got crashed into while parked. Luckily, the Sentry mode got it all on film, and the guy who crashed the car also left a note, so it got sorted out easily. This clip from an anonymous submitter is of a late lane change from a truck in Stockholm. Thomas was driving in the left lane in between a couple of cars when he suddenly saw this car coming, at what seemed like 200 kilometers an hour outside of the road.